Hello everyone, and welcome to the Alerts app by Virto, an agile tool that sends alerts and reminders via email and helps to build a flexible notification system. In this video, I'll show you how to get started by creating your first alert once you've successfully installed the app. Here is your Virto Alerts page in SharePoint Online. Click the Add Alert button in the top left corner. Here, choose a SharePoint list. In our case, this is the marketing team vacation data list. Then decide whether or not you'd like to send an alert about every single change, and specify the name of your alert in the title field. By default, you will be the owner of the alert. Manage permissions by adding another owner or owner group if needed. In the next step, choose the recipients of the alert. Change the default email address from which the alert will be sent. And add your company name in the title. Now switch to the Message View block. Enter the subject of the email alert. Tick the Is Important checkbox if it's valid for this alert. You can also add a header and a footer if you need to. Next, the most valuable part is the body of the alert. To start with, write down the text. Click on the Add Tag Value icon and choose Item Title. Click Add. Click on the Add Tag Value icon again. Choose List Title. And click Add. Click on the Add Tag Value icon for a third time and choose the List Link Value. Click Add. You can also add images, links, and change the font and color. From this alert, users will know the name of a new item, the list it belongs to, and will be able to open it to see details. Finally, switch to the Options block, where you can define the conditions for sending the alert. For example, we want to send an alert for all list items. In the weekly summary report, every Friday, at 10 a.m., click the Preview button before saving to ensure it looks as you want it to and reflects all the necessary information. If everything is correct, click OK. And save the alert. The new alert will appear in the My Alerts section. You can disable it and re-enable it when you need to. Now let's see how it looks for recipients. Someone has added an entry to the vacations list to inform their colleagues about an upcoming vacation. Megan is one of the recipients, so she receives an email alert. This is just one tiny part of what's possible with the Alerts app by Virto. Be on the lookout for our new videos to see more. Thanks for watching.